What's ZEE, everyone? Today, we're diving into the world of celiac disease. It's a condition that affects millions of people around the globe, yet many still don't fully understand it. It's a mouthful to say, but don't worry, we'll break it down together. Celiac disease is an autoimmune disorder, which means the body's immune system mistakenly attacks its own tissues. In simple terms, celiac disease is like a mix-up in your tummy. When someone with this condition eats gluten, their body reacts negatively. Gluten is a protein found in wheat, barley, and rye. These grains are common in many foods like bread, pasta, and cereals. When people with celiac disease eat gluten, their immune system goes a little haywire. Instead of digesting the food normally, the body sees gluten as a threat. It's like their body mistakes gluten for an invader and launches an attack on the small intestine. This attack damages the lining of the small intestine, which is crucial for nutrient absorption. This can lead to some uncomfortable symptoms and long-term health problems if left untreated. Symptoms can range from digestive issues like bloating and diarrhea to more severe problems like malnutrition and anemia. But hey, knowledge is power. By learning about celiac disease, we can better understand how to manage it. By understanding celiac disease, we can learn how to manage it and live our best lives. So let's keep going. With the right information and support, people with celiac disease can lead healthy, happy lives. Celiac disease can be a bit of a chameleon, meaning it shows up differently in everyone. This autoimmune disorder can mimic other conditions, making it tricky to diagnose. Some folks experience a whole bunch of symptoms, while others might only have a few. The range of symptoms can be quite broad and varied. Common signs and symptoms include tummy troubles like diarrhea, bloating, and gas. These gastrointestinal issues are often the first to be noticed. Others might experience constipation or even nausea and vomiting. These symptoms can be persistent and quite distressing, but it doesn't stop there. Celiac disease can manifest in ways that affect your overall well-being. Celiac disease can also impact your energy levels, leaving you feeling tired and weak. Chronic fatigue is a common complaint among those affected. Some people even experience skin rashes, joint pain, or iron deficiency. These symptoms can sometimes be mistaken for other health issues. If you're experiencing any of these symptoms, it's essential to talk to your doctor. Early diagnosis and treatment can make a significant difference in managing the disease and improving your quality of life. Diagnosing celiac disease involves a two-pronged approach: blood tests and a biopsy. Blood tests look for certain antibodies that are elevated in people with celiac disease. These antibodies are part of your immune system's response to gluten, a protein found in wheat, barley, and rye. If the blood test suggests celiac disease, your doctor will likely recommend a biopsy. This is a crucial step because it provides a definitive diagnosis. This involves taking a small sample of tissue from your small intestine to examine for damage. The damage is typically caused by your immune system attacking the lining of your small intestine in response to gluten. Remember, it's super important not to start a gluten-free diet before getting tested. Doing so can lead to false negative results, making it harder to diagnose the condition accurately. Eliminating gluten beforehand can interfere with the accuracy of the tests. Always consult your healthcare provider before making any dietary changes, especially if you suspect you have celiac disease. Navigating life with celiac disease. The good news is that managing celiac disease is entirely possible. The key is adopting a strict gluten-free diet. This means bidding farewell to bread, pasta, and other gluten-containing goodies. But hold on, it's not all doom and gloom. The market is now brimming with delicious gluten-free alternatives. From breads and cereals to pasta and even desserts, there's a whole world of gluten-free goodness waiting to be explored. Your journey to gluten-free living. Living with celiac disease is an ongoing journey, and it's okay to have questions along the way. Remember, knowledge is key. Don't hesitate to ask your doctor, a registered dietitian, or even connect with online support groups. Do you have any questions about celiac disease? Drop them in the comments below. Let's create a supportive community where we can learn from and support each other. Remember, you're not alone on this journey.